Peugeot 207 cc 1.6 litre petrol. It's losing coolant. It's my daughter's car. It's losing coolant. Now to test it, I topped up water over the maximum, and I got this kit, radiator test kit. So I'm going to test the kit as well in the same time. So I found correct adapter to put instead of the cap. This is the pressurized system. So the pressure is not held in a radiator only an engine, around the engine. It's actually all the way to expansion vessel. So now it's connected. I can pump it up. I pump the pressure up to 1 bar, 15 psi, and now almost immediately I noticed dripping down there, and it's coming from that side there. Can you see it? It's actually trickling out. So expansion vessel has broken on the seam. Hopefully that's the only one place that's got the leak. Used to have the leak a couple of years back around the thermostat housing, but I sorted that back then, and I can't see any other drips, nothing around the radiator. Look from underneath. The only place where it's dripping is there. Ah, got a little drip there as well. Right, let's have a look. Might be from heater matrix. I need to take all this air induction stuff out so I can have a look. Right, the battery removed, ECU set aside, and went down there, and see where the 2 Jubilee clips are. There was only 1 Jubilee clip, and it was a bit loose, and there was a little drip from there. The upper one, that is one of the hoses that goes to heating matrix. So it was dripping down there, trickling around, down and underneath. Now I tightened up the first one, the one on the left hand side, and then added an extra one next to it as a belt and braces, and it seems to stop it stopped the leak. Repressurized here back to 2 bar, sorry, not 2 bars, 1.5 bar, about 20 psi, and it didn't reappear, and the old water that was laying there, or old coolant, started drying out. But obviously still leaks here and dropping pressure here around expansion vessel. So I just ordered another vessel. I'm going to replace it tomorrow as soon as it arrives, and hopefully that will be it. So this kit, that kit, so far I think it's paying itself out. Good. I like it.